Hello everybody, my name is Sergey. Welcome back to another episode of the best PowerPoint games. And today I've got a Christmas special gift for you. It also relates to 1000k subscribers. And it's called Santa's Workshop. 3 games in 1 combo. But before I'll tell you how to play these games and how to modify the questions, I want to give a shout out to one of my subscribers and my friends. His name is JadeJohnson Industries for providing an intro music for this PowerPoint game combo. And as always, if you're new to my channel, hit subscribe.
Here I come. Here I come.
Because all of my PowerPoint games are absolutely free to download. You can find the link in the description. Even though my PowerPoint games are absolutely free, it's still advisable not to sell them. And now let me explain how to play this Santa's Workshop 3 games in 1 combo.
Press on the screen to start.
So you need to press it on the computer screen. So here's Santa's computer, got jingle software. You only can press on pictures and games. You can't press on my computer and trash. Also this menu button, and because I haven't spent so much time on this, so maybe in the future I will expand this jingle software where you can actually touch the icons and have more things to interact with. Alright? But now first let me show you the pictures. So when you press on the pictures icon, you have, let's see, 6, 7, 8 pictures. So these are Santa's the most favorite pictures that he took while traveling and delivering the presents. Press on a picture to expand the picture, like this. Okay, so here's Santa having fun. Here's Santa at a fireplace, and then there's Santa with Spider-Man. Santa here, he's eating some ice cream. There's a flying a dragon. It's a young Santa with Star-Lord, and also we've got Santa with Harry Potter. And also Santa gives a gift to some aliens. Okay. So to close this window, you just press anywhere you want except the picture. So if, for example, you can press on this red square, or you can just press on the window to close it. Okay. And let's go to the games. Press on games, and here we've got 3 games. The Christmas Tree Assembly, Blizzard Brawl, and Frosty Burst. I will start with the Christmas Tree Assembly. Okay, so first I will explain how to play the game, and then I will explain how to modify the questions. We are right now at the Santa's Workshop, and here he assembles the Christmas trees. And down here, he's got control panel with a lot of buttons, and we've got 4 players, and they have a joystick. But first let's go to the rules. So rulebook, game 1. There are 4 players in a game, so you need to decide who goes first. I usually do rock, scissors, paper, and then select a blue button on a control panel. If this blue button turns green, you will get 1 or 2 number. If you get 1, press 1 time on a joystick next to your character to assemble your Christmas tree. If it turns purple, you will get 3 times, so that means you need to press 3 times on the joystick. And if it turns red, then that means it's wrong button and you cannot do anything. And player presses on buttons one after another, and the first player assembles the tree wins the game. We have Asher, Luna, Orion, and Aurora. And also we've got questions, and this house, when you press on the house, you're gonna go back to the computer screen and you can choose another game. We're gonna continue with the Christmas tree assembly. Let's press on the questions.
Select a number.
So Santa's helper tells you to select a number, and you press on a number. So you've got 21 numbers. You press on 13, for example, and you're gonna get a question. So you can modify this question to whatever question you'd like, and after you can press on this question slide, question box, and to hide the question, and you can press on the arrow to get back to the game. I will explain how to modify the questions later. Okay, let's go back to the game, and let's say that Asher goes first. He presses on a button and he got red button. Okay, wrong button, so he cannot do anything. Let's continue. Luna. Oh no, also. Okay, Orion got 1, so keep attention on this screen. It will show you the number, so press 1 time. Okay, so Orion number 3, remember it's the same. Okay, 3, number 3 here, Orion number 3, number 4 is for Aurora, number 2 is for Luna, and number 1 is for Asher. So 1 time, and we assembled 1 layer of the Christmas tree. Okay, continue here. Oh no, oh no. Okay, got 3 times, 1, 2, and 3. Oh no, oh no. Okay, I got 1. Okay, here we go. 2, 2. And the first player assembles the tree will be the winner. Let me show you how to modify this game. Very easy to do. You just select this button and then move it to the other side. There's only 1 button that turns purple. You need to be very lucky to find it. Let me show you how to change questions. So all the questions, they all together, right? You just slide down and change the question to whatever you want to change. And let's continue to the next game. Let's play Blizzard Brawl. So Blizzard Brawl, also we've got 4 players, Asher, Luna, Aurora, and Orion. Also we've got this little house to go back to the computer screen. We've got rules and questions. Okay, let's go to the rules. Okay, so 4 players in a game decide who goes first. A player spin the spinner. If you get 1, you shoot 1 time. If you get 2, you shoot 2 times. If you get X, you do nothing. And if arrow on the spinner points between the numbers, you need to spin again. Okay, so players presses on the control panel with the tanks buttons to shoot. If you play as red, your panel will have other 3 colors of tank except red. When you shoot at the tank, you have to remove the battery life next to the tank because it's not automatic. Each tank has 5 battery slots. Press 1 time if a tank gets 1 hit. The last tank in tank will be the winner. So here we've got 4 toy tanks at Santa's workshop. And next to the tank, let's say purple, it has control panel with other color of tanks. So blue, green, green, and red. So you press on the panel to shoot at the tank. Don't press on the tank, it will not shoot at the desired tank. So you need to press on a panel. Each tank has a battery. Right now all tanks are full. If a tank gets hit, you press on a battery slot and the slot will disappear. So here's the spinner. It has 1 number, it has 2, and also X. And between the numbers and X, they have this small space. And if a player gets on this small space, he can spin the spinner one more time. Let's say we play as Aurora, and Aurora goes first. Spin the spinner. And we've got 1. So you choose a tank to shoot at. For example, blue. And then remove. Like this. And also, for example, let's say blue. Got on this space. So need to spin one more time. Got 1. And press, let's say purple. If you decide to press on a tank, it won't do anything, because right now all the tanks are blocked. If 3 of the tanks are destroyed, then you can press on a tank to declare this tank a winner. Let's destroy 3 tanks. Let's say blue is destroyed, green is destroyed, and purple. Okay, when the tank is destroyed, it will turn into ice stone. And now you can press on the tank to declare her the winner. That's it about this game. The questions are the same. Let's go back and choose the Frosty Burst. Okay, this is the last game, and we've got 4 snowman balloons, and also we've got 4 players, and next to the players they have a pump to pump the snowman balloon. So there are 4 players in the game. Decide who goes first. A player spins the spinner. If it gets X, do nothing, and arrow on the spear points between the numbers, spin again. So the player presses on a pump next to each character to blow up the snowman balloon. So the first player who will burst her snowman balloon will be the winner. So let's spin the spinner. Got 1. Okay, like this. Okay, spin the spinner. Also got 1. Ready? 2. 1. Nothing. Okay. And Luna wins the game. Alright, so here you go. I hope you enjoyed all of these games. If you've got any questions, or if you would like to modify anything in these games, you can always let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this game, give a like, hit subscribe, and have an incredible Christmas this year. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.